Welcome back on this Monday morning. So for today, we're looking at a bit of more of a seasonal day. We are in for a warmer trend though this week. There is the possibility of having a few occasional rain showers out there, but no big systems, no big widespread rain events. We do have chances for some more scattered rain showers later on in the work week. So as I mentioned, more rain chances later on. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we're expecting for today. So I did put a shore and an inland split because the shorelines of the Great Lakes will be just a little bit cooler there. We are expecting temperatures to be into the 50s in those locations with some upper 40s along Lake Superior. Wind flow out of the southeast 5 to 12 miles per hour. Pockets of sunshine likely as we continue later on into the afternoon, but we're looking at mostly cloudy skies for most areas in the central and western areas of the UP. Temperatures inland into the 60s. We're looking at some mid to near upper 60s in some places, lower 60s along the Wisconsin state line. So that's why we have a shore and an inland split. It's going to be different for those temperature ranges depending on where you're located at. As we head towards tomorrow, it's going to be a warmer day. Most areas well into the 60s, a few low 70s likely along the Wisconsin state line. So basically each and every day we start to increase our temperatures by a couple of degrees. We're supposed to be at 58 for this time of year. But this morning we're kicking it off with a little bit of fog. You can see kind of a hazy view along M28. This is over at the roadside park in Marquette County. So a little bit of fog out there, quite dense in some places. Here's more of the aerial view of downtown Marquette. Some of those thin layers are where we're seeing some of the fog. This is the setup right now. We have two small disturbances to our west and southwest. These pass east, bringing in rain mainly to Wisconsin to areas downstate. So if your travels take you into those locations, you'll be dealing with rain in those spots. This morning, it's just kind of cloudy and foggy depending on where you're at. A little bit of light rain has developed over western Lake Superior. So here's the hour by hour. We'll likely have a few isolated rain showers across the west end of the UP as we head towards the afternoon. That big blob of rain tracks through Wisconsin. A few spots could graze right along the Wisconsin state line this afternoon, but mainly those isolated rain showers towards the west for the afternoon and evening. Tomorrow looks really nice though. We'll have plenty of sunshine out there. Not much for rain. As we head towards Wednesday, we'll have a few of these little scattered rain showers and then a nice little round of rain as we head towards Wednesday afternoon into the evening. It quickly passes through. We do have more rain chances almost each day, very isolated about extending into the weekend. No big widespread rain events, but this is kind of how it looks for rainfall precipitation as we head towards the rest of this week, extending into Sunday. For the most part, around half of an inch of rain possible. It looks like the highest rainfall amounts could likely occur right over parts of Gogebic and Ontonagon counties, pushing about an inch to an inch and a quarter in some of those places. There are still some river flood warnings and flood advisories along some local rivers. Those are the ones mainly highlighted in the orange little dots that we're seeing there. So those are currently under a minor flood stage. That's the Menominee River at McAllister. The Sturgeon River at Alston is at 9.3. The Escanaba River near Gwinn is at 7.3. Most of those are going to continue to rise here over the next 24 hours. This week will be a little